another signee of Oil Links Entertainment, Kidi, the girl them sugar, the girl them diabetes. Now, an entertainment critic or entertainment panelist has made a revelation about what happened to Kidi last year in Kumasi at Kuami Eugene's annual concert. And he is saying that Kidi's life was in danger, but he still performed at the concert. Now, media personality Nana Frimpong Ziga is full of high praise for Kidi. He revealed that a fan injured Kidi at Kwame Eugene's concert in Kumasi Sports Stadium last year. Now, speaking on the topic, a Ghanaian artist laid back, lazy or disrespectful, the radio presenter revealed to Christian Ej Frimpong on Onya FM's Enijem read that sometimes artists that artists take precautions because of the fans. He then recounted when an unknown fan stuck his finger into Kidi's eyes while he was engaging them in the Garden City. And this is what he said. There was a show in Kumasi, Kwame Eugene's annual concert held in Babayara Sports Stadium. The fanatics saw Kidi and approached him in their numbers, and he also engaged them. In a rush, a fan stuck his hand or finger into Kidi's eyes. He even had a cut. Someone who is supposed to perform that night, Ziga sadly revealed. He continued by saying, against all odds, Kidi performed and was praised because his performance on the night of the incident was awesome. He defiled everything and performed well. But because of that, next time he will protect himself. Unknown to someone somewhere, they will say Kidi does not like his fans or he's arrogant. Nana Frimpong Ziga concluded. Into summer or also Kidi last year, Kwame Eugene annual concert or no ya Kumasi Babaya Sports Stadium and okwa no or perform na or engage fans no I wanna no and a guy be Eugene nisa work in the nyama cut and po be or pray. But then regardless no guy no still a him or performing on wasam and oracle. So this is what he meant by saying that Kidi's life was in danger, but then he still went ahead to perform.